Harper Scientific is the division of Harper Corporation that provides supplies for the care, maintenance, and optimization of your anilox investment. With facilities in Charlotte, North Carolina and De Pere, Wisconsin, Harper Scientific provides products and services to flexographic printers worldwide. Pioneers in advanced ink-proofing devices, Harper Scientific provides complete solutions in proofing, environmentally friendly cleaners, anilox storage systems, and measurement devices. Harper Scientific provides services to the flexo, offset, and gravure industries, as well as products and support for all major OEM press suppliers. This also includes suppliers of various inks, coatings, and adhesives. Harper Scientific's vast portfolio includes all the tools, measurement devices, storage systems, and environmentally safe cleaners to optimize the utilization of your anilox inventory. As pioneers in ink-proofing systems, our innovations continue to provide maximum press uptime with first-time color matching, reducing make-ready waste, and increasing press productivity. The unique design characteristics of the QD Proofer allow for safe, consistent, and repeatable color drawdowns regardless of operator experience, with anilox rollers directly correlated to your press inventory. Safe, easy-to-use, repeatable performance assures maximum efficiency throughout your operation. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us by visiting our website at harpercorporation.com or call us at 800-438-3111. We're here to help and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for choosing Harper Corporation of America.